Hi there! In this video, I'll show you how to enable NFC and contactless payments on your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. Let's get started. And for this, we need to open Settings and then choose Connections tab. So here you can see this NFC and contactless payment section. Firstly, we just need to enable it by tapping on this switcher. And now go in this section and here select an app to pay. For example, in my case, it will be Google Pay, but you can have a Samsung Pay as well, so just choose which one app suits you the best. And after this, let's just open this application and make sure that your card is added here. Great! And now all is left is to hold your phone near the reader and the payment will be made instantly. Also, you can use the double tap function on the power button to activate Google Pay. Let me show you. For this, we need to open Settings and then in the search bar, let's just type in Side button. And here, for double press section, you need to switch for Google Wallet, like this. And now when you'll press this button twice, this Google Wallet will appear immediately. And that's it. Hope this video was useful for you. And thank you so much for watching.